Once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson, that is density. It is also a physical quantity which is to be calculated like volume. Here what it is. For that you have to listen this example. When you go to grocery shop and buy 1 kilogram of sugar, what the shopkeeper will do? He will have standard weights made up of iron, you must have seen, and balance, pan balance. In one of the pan, he will keep the standard weight made up of iron, that of 1 kilogram, and in the other pan, he will go on adding sugar till both the pans comes in the same level that you have studied in the measurement of mass. So when they are in the same level, what does it means? The mass of sugar is equal to mass of iron. So 1 kilogram of iron block and 1 kilogram of sugar. Look at them and observe. Both are having same mass, right? But look at their sizes. It is observed that iron block is of smaller size and sugar is having bigger size, even though their masses are equal. Why it is so? That describe the density. So here, because the density of iron is more than that of sugar. So what it is? It is nothing but the ratio of mass and volume. Means what? What is the mass of a substance for unit volume of that substance? Unit volume, 1 unit volume, that can be anything, 1 centimeter cube, 1 meter cube, 1 liter. These are the units you have studied for volume. So when you take 1 units of volume, what will be the mass? That is nothing but density. So now we'll come back to the same example. We taken equal masses, but volume of sugar is more than volume of iron. Means what? If you take unit volume of both iron and sugar, what will happen? Unit volume of iron and sugar, then mass of iron will be more than that of sugar. Clear? So iron need less space to occupy for a definite mass. So density of iron is more than that of sugar. Clear? Now, when you are buying oil, refined oil or coconut, anything, in the pack, the liquids are measured in liters. If you buy 1 liter packet, in that it must have written 916 gram, 916 gram or 920. It will not be 1 kilogram, right? That means the density of oil will be less than 1. Less than 1. But in the case of water, if you take 1 liter of water and weigh, it can be seen that it is 1 kilogram. Both mass and volume equal. Unit mass is equal to unit volume. Or mass upon unit volume is same. So that is what density of water is 1. If you take unit volume, the mass also will be unit. So 1 liter of water is equal to 1 kilogram of water. So the mass of 1 unit volume is nothing but density. Clear? Now here the densities of various substances are given. What does it means? And before that, various units are gram per centimeter cube. It will be definitely the unit of mass upon unit of volume. Unit of mass is gram and unit of volume is centimeter cube, or kg per meter cube. Per means upon. Kg is the unit of mass, meter cube is the unit of volume, or gram per milliliter. Gram is the unit of mass, milliliter is the unit of volume. Kilogram per liter. Kilogram is the unit of mass, liter is the unit of volume. Gram per ml, kilogram per liter, etc. are used in the case of liquids. And gram per centimeter cube, kilogram per meter cube, etc. used for finding the units of solids. So here some densities of some substances are given. We'll see what does it mean. See, density of water, 1 kg per liter. This you understood? For 1 liter of water, 1 kg of water. The weight of 1 liter of water is 1 kg. Now see milk, 1.03 kg. What does it mean? 1 liter of milk having mass 1.03 kg. Now blood, 1.60 kg per liter. Means what? 1 liter of milk weighs 1.60 kg. Now iron, 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Solids, gram per centimeter cube. Means what? 7.8 gram will be there for 1 centimeter cube of iron. Clear? The density of iron is that much bigger. Now gold, 19.3 gram per centimeter cube. You know centimeter cube. In 1 centimeter cube of gold, how many grams? 19.3 gram. So gold is more denser than iron, or gold is having more density than that of iron. So and what about honey? Honey is 1.4 kilogram per liter. If you take 1 liter of honey, it will weigh 1.4 kilogram. So according to the density, their relation between mass and volume will change. That relation or ratio of mass to volume is called density, and density will be different for different substances. Clear? So that about density I want to explain today, and thank you for watching this lesson. See you next week with a new topic. Don't forget to share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standard. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.